Hi guys, my name is Savannah with LivBay Lash. I've been with the company for about 4 years now. This channel is dedicated to all things lashes and beauty. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button below. In today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to make a super full mega volume fan with a very thin base. Today, I'm going to be using the LivBay Lash Vegas Nights tweezer to make my fan. I'm going to be using the LivBay Lash Straight Up Pink tweezer to isolate. I will be using our LivBay Lash 0.03 14mm tray and our new Sheer Collection Pink Mini Glue. So I'm going to start with placing my tweezer on the outside end with 0.03. Since it is such a thin diameter, you are able to pick up more. So usually with my mega volume fans, I pick up between 10 to 15D. It sometimes can be more depending on how strong the client's natural lashes are. So I'm going to pull a good amount towards me. So to help guarantee the base to be tinier, what I like to do is I like to pump the tweezer a little bit. As I pump the tweezer, what it really does is as I loosen the grip, it tends to have the fan, it fans out a little bit wider, but the base actually becomes a little bit thinner. If you are newer with lashes and you're new to using 0.03 and mega volume diameter, something I've realized in the past with being a newer lash artist is sometimes your bases do end up being a little bit thicker. So something that I would recommend is to start making tinier fans with mega volume, get used to making the base tiny and perfecting it, and then you can slowly start to pick up more as you get more comfortable. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found value in this video. A question for you would be, how do you like to make your mega volume fans? Go ahead and drop your comments below and we will see you in the next video.